Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the economics of education. So let us start. It is a part of your perspectives in education. So what is economics? It is a study of society. So economics looks at how we make, share and use of goods and services, and the word economics is derived from Greek language oikonomikos. I'll spell out here: Oikonomikos. I repeat: Oikonomikos, which means managing a home. So using resources shows how we use limited resource to make useful goods. So this is about it is a study of society which is derived from the economics, is derived from the economicos, which means managing a time, and how we have to use the resources which are limited. And what is economics of education? Okay, let us see. It is a field of study looks how we education and economics affect each other. So we are going to see basic concept. Better education helps people be more productive and boost the economy. Okay, there are two parts: combines theory and real world application to study how education grows. Okay, field of study looks at how education and economy affects each other. If you are educated, your financial going to be increased. Basic concept: better education helps the people be more productive and boost the economy. This combines the economics of education combines the theory as well as practical application in education, which helps the growth. Then education as a human capital. So education compare with the human capital. So first thing, it's going to be helpful for personal. Okay, personal gain and community benefit, national growth. So if you are educated, if you are highly educated, your level of income will be increased. Then you make your community also benefit from you. And once you getting income more, it helps the national growth. You pay the tax, you purchase many things. Indirectly, it's going to be develop the growth of the country. Then key principles. So here, investment perspectives, income development, poverty reduction, cost benefit analysis. If you know education in economics, you come to know education is an investment in people that brings clear benefit. So if you are spending the money on education, it is not a expenditure, it is an investment. It is going to bring the benefits in coming days. And economic income development. Income helps the people can earn more money, improves the country's economy. So education will helps the to get the more income that improves the country economy. Then poverty reduction. If you have the more money, how the more money comes? If you are well educated, okay, if you are professionalized, the poverty will go. You're going to get the more job opportunities. Okay, cost benefit analysis. Looking at the cost and return is a key understanding education value. So let us see. So scholarly perspectives. So this information given in Telugu Academy. Okay. So economics view, then UNESCO position, developing nations. So what economists says, the scholars like Cohen and JL Triangle were first to study education as a part of economics. So they say that they are firstly studied education as a part of economics. They created a way to measure what we get back from money spent on education. So education means not getting degree, but you are going to get in return in financially. So it can be measured. If you are spending in the money on education, you are going to get return. This is study by the scholars like Cohen and J.L. Rangel. Okay, UNESCO. What UNESCO says that UNESCO believes education is the key of helping countries grow. Their study show countries with better education often have the stronger economics. So they are saying that if the people are more educated in the countries, then they are going to be financially stronger. So they are saying in country wise. Okay. Developing nations. So growing countries need to invest education to improve their economics. So underdeveloped or developing countries, they have to spend a lot of money in education so that their economies will be improved. So education helps poorer countries catch up with the richer ones. If your if your education system is good, then you are going to be compete with the rich countries. Then human resource development. How human resource can be developed with the education. So education, training, health, skill. Okay, these are the human resource development. Okay, education, learning systems help people gain knowledge and think better. If you know the system properly, okay, you are able to learn new skill, new things. Then uh, then you, here learning systems that help people gain knowledge and think better. They are able to think better. If you are educated, you are able to think well. You are going to have the gain knowledge. Then training, hands-on learning for a job, specific skill and task. It is a human resource development, and that means you are developing the human being. Okay, you are training the human being so that they are going to get the related skill for the specific job. Health, uh, good physical and mental health that helps the people work better. If the person is healthy and mentally healthy, then it is they can work properly. Skills, so special abilities that help people do more valuable work. Okay, if you have the skill, you will be valuable. So human being should be educated. You should be a well trained. You should have good health. You should have the skills. Then become a quality human resource. This can be developed. Then education stages and productivity. So primary education, we are going to learn about the reading, writing, and mathematics, etc. LSRW. Then secondary education, in which middle and high school learning, okay, math, science, social, that we are going to trade. And higher school, it is a college level. Some specialized things learn here. Then professional and technical skill, maybe medical, engineering, okay, CA, something like that. They are going to specifically improve their skills, and they are going to be a get good best work opportunities. So the education says that primary education, secondary education, higher education, and professional technical education. Then here we'll see. I'll show here. Just wait, please wait. Here, here, just yes. Here the like growth stage, then it is like what it is. Please be online. Here the growth stage, then it is peak stage, then it is declining, and it is falling. So the education stage is like that. Okay. Then here, please be online. Yeah. Here. Then here we can check here. Right. See, there is a so this particular thing about the growing stage, then it is a peak stage, then it is falling stage, then it is totally falling stage. Okay, this is there, and here like that. Please be online. Okay, we are going to see about the Augustinian theory. So, this is the theory which is there in the Telugu Academy. Augustine theory, what it says about the spiritual things. Okay, education means spiritual growth, values spiritual progress as much as material advance. So, moral framework focus on right and wrong, how humans grow, religious foundation, religious belief shapes how people, societies develop, divine order, life follows a present plan created by God. So is the Augustine theory. It says about the education is compared with the spiritual or religious, divine or moral work. Okay, this is the economics in education related to the Augustinian theory. Then we'll see here. Then linear theory. Okay, what is linear theory? Like economics education is like growing better, technology, science, education. Okay, this is a linear theory. As a educator, you should know education in science, technology, growth. Okay, so through education, you are going to learn new things, and you are going to find new facts, and you are going to use a new technology, and you are going to be a growth better. It is a linear theory which is given Telugu Academy. Okay, then cyclical linear theory. Okay, what is cyclical linear theory is? It is a when you are educated, so the growth will be there along with the education. Your growth will be there. Economics grows and creates more jobs. Okay, in stagnation period, progress slow down and temporarily. If you are not educated, then if your constant education is very less, then your growth is very less. Then once you started learning new things, then your recovery stage, growth restarts through new ideas. Then again, new growth plateau, economy reaches higher level than before. That means you studies and you grow. If you don't study, if you're not getting the skill, you be stagnant. If you're again study or learn new skills, then you recovery stage. Then still, if you are again enrich your education, then you are going to be in higher level. So this is about, so if you see human resource development trends in India, 1.4 billion population, rapid growing impact, educational resource allocation. Okay, like there is almost 74% literacy is there in India. Okay, there is but more of the people in rural urban areas studied and less people studied in rural area. Then continuously there is a enrollment in higher education increasing of almost 27%. So this is about then current challenges. Okay, so skill shortage, education employment mismatch, regional disparities. What does this mean to you? Skill shortage. So like insufficient skilled workforce to meet the economic demands across the sectors. So even though people are educated, but they don't have sufficient skills. and education employment mismatch. So there is a disconnect between education curriculum and new job market requirement. That means our curriculum is outdated, so job market not helping us. Then regional disparities. So uneven development across the states creates the educational inequalities. Some like southern states are highly educated and northern states are not that much. So there is a regional disparities. Okay. So this is about the things. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.